Bratans, very quick update video. What is happening right now with Bitcoin? And I want to speak with you about this week because this week will be very volatile. And why? Let's go into the news. And I tell you also why we saw this dump and a pump today, and again a dump. And I told you we will see a dump in the morning, in the night, Sunday night, and this exactly also. We saw this dump also, right? But let's go into the news right now, and I want to tell you this. This is the reason why Bitcoin pumped. Elon Musk says he's not selling his crypto holdings. Bitcoin is up. So this is pretty obvious. It's not a good thing that one man can move a whole market, but it is like it is. This is the reason why we saw this. This pump. This is the reason for the pump. The dump was obviously the stock market in China opened, and therefore we saw this dump. It could be also a pump, nobody knows, but this high volatility, I told you we will see. This happened exactly while we're sleeping. This pump happened while because of the Elon Musk news. And another very important news why this whole market will be very volatile is because you see here, this is Jerome Powell, I know how Powell blood, I know how to pronounce. And look, I read for you. The S&P 500 index is off to the worst start year since the COVID-fueled sell-off in March 2020, and now investors have to contend with rising interest rates, possible starting and Wednesday Federal Reserve meeting. So on Wednesday's Federal Reserve meeting, and possibly, and they're expecting to. So the market and the press expecting that they will rise the interest rates, how they also told us. So therefore, we see, either we want or not, we will see high volatility to up or to downside this week. It will be not so boring like the last week. This I can, I can tell you. So, and it's exactly also worked out like I told you yesterday in the morning that we see high volatility. So do your own research, but I'm very happy that it perfectly worked out like I told you. So what we can do as a day trader or swing trader. So I tell you, it's very important. It's good for us that this happened in the night, because a short position I would take if we break under 38,000 right now, under 38,000, and if we really close with high volume, because look, we saw this dump, but there was no high volume. If we see a high selling volume, and the 4-hourly closes under 38,000, we can make a short position. A long position is, in my opinion, possible if we go above the 39,500 EMA 4-hourly ribbon with the clear also buying volume and the closing 4-hourly candle, right? So price target would be at least the previous top. So we see here the previous top at 42,600. So it's 7.7%, 70%, 5x 35% approximately. And if we see a dump, we will see this dump happen. At least I'm expecting, let me check, if we go to 38,000, so at least to 37,300, but I think it would be even go to 36,600, 36,500 approximately. So 3.6% on 10x leverage is 36%, and 5x leverage is 15%, something like that, right? Don't forget, guys, I want to show here, Barry wrote also, Isaac, you are living the dream. I've made some small profits from watching you and taking advice. Every week it's getting better. I'm enjoying this so much. Thanks to you, and good health. Thank you very much, Barry. And also be prepared right now for this volatility and make a registration on Bybit and Phoenix, 1-minute registration, and you get 8,200 bonus for our community for free after initial deposit. 1-minute registration, Bybit and Phoenix, link down below, guys. Yes, this is where I am also trading. So this is clear for us, right? What we can also watch is, like every time, it's very interesting how the stock market will open. Will we see further dump? Here will we see further dump to 4,175 or even to 4,127, because here of support, and here we have support. then we will see also further dump in Bitcoin, right? A pump will happen if we are breaking above that resistance line, that neckline, right? Then we see a huge, not a huge pump, but at least a pump to 4,395. So this will we see also in the crypto market, then a pump. This also very important for us to watch. This is what I'm watching at 9:30 New York time. Will the stock market in US open? This is very interesting for us to watch. But this week, especially this week, the news are to get how it's called. Connected with the crypto and stock market. So therefore, especially today, you have to watch the views about the Fed interest rates, what they will do on Wednesday. Also something like Elon Musk, yes, you have to be aware, have an eye on it, because something like a small tweet from him or something in news, if you see something like he tell the press that he will not sell his crypto or his Bitcoin portfolio, you see it skyrockets. But be careful, because we see this small pump right now, but this pump happened, it's like because only of this information of Elon Musk. So be careful right now. In my opinion, do your own research. Be careful right now to jump into a trade. Because right now we are not above the EMA 4-hourly EMA ribbon, and there's no volume. It's still not enough volume. If we see bigger volume and close the 4-hourly candle above the EMA ribbon, we can set here long position. But I would wait, because this pump is only because of Elon Musk. And if we break 38,000, we can make a short position with a clear 4-hourly candle. So guys, tell me your opinion on this. Very important to watch Fed. What will do the Fed? The interest rates, will they increase? Will they increase higher than expected? Will they increase like they said? It will be very volatile. Be prepared. Be this week even more cautious about your trade. Set a proper stop loss. Very, very important, because it will be high volatile. And I told you yesterday in the morning, if you don't watch on video, literally lose money, because I told you we will see on Sunday evening or night while we are sleeping a huge volatility. And this is exactly what we saw. We saw the downside, then we saw tomorrow to the upside, right? This is usually what happens if the market is through the weekend very boring. So, and this week will be even more volatile because of this Fed rates. Because of the war news, it will be very, very volatile, especially because of the Fed interest rates, because this will be a big discussion. Either they will increase or not, or a little bit. They will be either way, there will be a big discussion. So please have an eye on it. Don't forget about your bonus at 8,200. Link down below for free for our community members. 8,200 on Bybit and Phoenix. After initial deposit, you get the bonus for free. This one I'm also trading. Link down below. It's a win-win situation. It's an affiliate link, obviously. So it's a very good exchange, because I am connected also with this exchange. It was never hacked, as soon as I know, and as far as I know. I'm using it, and all of my friends who are traders also using it. So if you want, you can go and get the link down below, 8,200. And yes, if you have any questions, write also down below. I will consider in the next video. And Luna Pump. Also Luna Pump. This makes me very happy, but I want to see it more done. But I have a small trade position open on Luna, but I didn't show you because it's too risky position. I don't speak about my too risky position because I don't want that to copy. But anyways, never copy me or anyone. Do your own research. Don't shift your responsibility to other people. You can use me as information, and then based on this, do your own research, and then decide by yourself. Guys, I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.